Alright guys, here's just some of the damage in Pullman. This is really all around town here. Lots of big tree limbs down. So there's some more wind damage in Pullman. Big old branch down here. Alright, here's some more minor tree damage here in Pullman, but this is all over the place. Scattered around. I haven't seen any trees on homes or anything, but we really got blasted last night. Look how thick that is. Look at the size of this tree. Smashed this car. This is in Pullman. So, yeah, look at this.
The lady that lives there, is she okay?
Yeah, everybody's okay. There were no injuries reported, so
Okay, yeah,
thankfully.
I used to work for her, and I cleaned both of their houses, and I just was like, oh, shit, no.
Yeah, there's damage everywhere. It's
Yeah,
pretty
that's
widespread.
bad.
Yeah, it
Oh.
destroyed that car. It's unfortunate.
Yeah.
It is smashed in on the top, so.
Shit. I seen a picture of another truck in Moscow that a limb landed on it, and totally just like right down the middle of the dual cab. It's bad. I was driving home in it to Albion last night, right in the middle of it. Like,
oh, and all that dust?
All the dust and the black rain. It was bad.
Yeah.
I pulled over and we came back to Pullman.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Yeah, I thought it was a tornado.
They said there was a funnel cloud out by Potlatch.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Amazing. Okay. Well, you have a good day.
You too.
So yeah, it did a number to the car here. Wow.